Now, fishermen at the Montego Bay fishing village in St. James are growing frustrated. They say business has been slow for months, and this continued into the Christmas season. They're making a fresh call to the government for monetary assistance. Details in this report.
Docked boats, a fitting representation of the fishing trade since COVID-19 hit. The fishermen say business is slow, which means going to sea is a waste of time on some days. One fisherman explained that sometimes when they venture out to sea, they are met by police officers who strictly enforce the lockdown.
We go from in at the 5 o'clock, and when we go and see in at 5 o'clock, but you see, daily life we have to come in. Sometimes we get harassed out there by the police, same way, run we in. So, I like the government give me some more time.
Sales are traditionally better during the Yuletide season for fisherfolk, but not this year. This means the large orders for fish fries or lobster orders from hotels did not come in.
And everybody used to come out and so people stop come out. The Christmas Eve gone and we don't see on Christmas because so they said on Grand Market now and keep chewing night, so we have to just stay here so and enjoy life. You understand?
If you look on the beach, you don't see a lot of customers. You understand? And there are things that like climate change. We're getting a cold front right now. So you know the sea is rough. You understand? So things like that compound our ability to earn.
The fishermen who spoke with us said the state has not assisted them, despite initial talks that monetary aid would have been provided. They are therefore making a fresh call to the government to help.
Last promise that was made to the fishermen about getting assistance with tackling and so forth, that hasn't manifested as yet. That hasn't materialized. And we had checked with the fisheries officer in that regard as well, and she indicated to us that she hasn't gotten back any word from central government concerning that as well. And that of itself is not enough either, you know. Last week a number of fishermen even came to me in the office saying that they haven't been able to pay things like their health insurance and things like utilities and so forth is being a burden right now, you know, and they're having difficulty in those areas.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.